Hello, guys. Today we work with the page number 128, page 128, and we have these activities. So we have to check or cross out if you do or you don't do these activities, okay? So let's check it out. The first one, sweep. I sweep in my house. Barren en su casa. Okay, I did. I do. Okay, entonces, si lo hacen, remember, check mark. Pick up the toys. Levantamos nuestros juguetes. Si lo hacemos, check mark. Okay, wash clothes, fold clothes. ¿Hacemos esto? I don't think so. So entonces, cross out. And the last one, make my bed. Si tienen su cama. Well, I think sometimes we do. Bien. Remember all these chores that we can do at the house. We need to help at the house. Remember that. We need to help mom and dad. That way we can keep our house clean. Okay? Well, esto fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. See you tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later, guys. Bye, bye.